MagnoFam! Hey, hey, whoa! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna take you guys along with us to Canmore.
You guys excited?
Yeah!
So I have a day off today, so we're gonna go for a short trip. Then
We're gonna go hiking.
Yep.
And go to the waterfalls. And so if you guys want to see what we do today, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notification and give this video a big thumbs up.
See you later.
And hopefully by the time you're watching this, we hit 500 subscribers. So thank you so much, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
We just made it to Red Deer and we're just here at McDonald's. I don't know if you can see. So we're at McDonald's because we're gonna get some iced coffee because hubby is falling asleep while driving, which is not good.
Because he might crash into a car.
You can see the front of this.
Why is dirty?
There's a mosquito at your window.
Full of
Did it win? Oh my gosh, guys. There's so much mosquitoes now. We're gonna get some McDonald's, right, Michaela?
Yeah.
I haven't slept yet.
Yeah, me too. I was tired.
I got 0 sleep.
Yeah.
I slept for like 3 hours.
It's sunny, so this is what I do when I wake up. I brush my teeth, but I'm gonna get.
You already brushed your teeth.
I know. I'm gonna eat snacks.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we should.
Oh, yes.
Look at my handsome hubby.
That's everything.
We got our food and Brianna got egg McMuffin, so did Jessie. The McGriddle is not available right now, which is so sad because that's my favorite. So me and Michaela we're sharing. We got pancake and sausage. So that's what we usually get. And as you know, when I go to work, this is what I always order and I can't live without iced coffee with extra cream.
But I'm just playing the games that my sister downloaded.
Yeah. A little update on where we are right now. We're at the I don't know if you can see. We're at the mountains. So we're already here, like we're, I think Kananaskis is what it's called. And it's actually taking so long to get to Grassy Lakes.
I tried to sleep.
I'm afraid we went to a different. We're lost.
Not sure if we're lost. I don't think we are. It's just the map that we're looking at is taking us to the long way to get there.
So I was playing games on my phone. This is how many games I have. You guys count it.
Are you sure you can climb the mountain, Michaela?
I don't know. Yeah, because so mommy found this thing on her phone, the mountain or this place, and then she was like, "Oh, let's go!" And then I didn't want to go. I was really excited, and then a while ago she said, "Are you ready to climb the mountain?" And then I was like, "Cause that's a big mountain."
We kind of didn't dress up properly for the weather today, so fingers crossed that it doesn't rain because we don't have any rain gear.
One eternity later.
Ayan na, nag-hike sila. So we are here. I don't know where we are, but look at the water. It's so pretty. And it's raining and I'm not wearing the proper outfit. I'll show you guys. So pretty. There's Hubby. Oh, have you guys seen someone that's gonna go hiking and like they're wearing basketball shorts? Well, today is the day you're gonna see one. He's gonna play basketball in the mountains. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold, guys. Oh,
I'm not even cold.
it's like winter and like, but the water is so pretty. Ang ganda ng tubig. This is my first time here, so it's really cold. Good thing I brought a blanket. But I'm so sad. It's raining. Like, look at that. It's pouring. How the hell are we supposed to go hiking? Like, I want to go up in the mountain, but how are we gonna do it? Like, it's so foggy. You can't even see the stuff down there. So, failed. So we're gonna try to go to the waterfall and hopefully it's not raining there. I wore my Adidas on top of my New Balance because I don't have proper clothes to wear. And look at Mikila's outfit. And this is Brianna's outfit. We're trying to stay warm because it's super cold outside. Someone threw a bomb in this car. This guy. Like a really bad bomb.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, he thought he could like get it away by opening the door a little bit, but didn't work.
2 hours later.
You like my improv hoodie? We're kind of looking for some falls. It's called Stifer Falls. You guys know where that is. There's Michaela. She's good because she has a jacket, she has double layers and an umbrella. Oh, there's people coming.
Well, I'm not even gonna go in the pool. More than 1 hour. Very far.
Good luck. Did you hear that? The falls is 1 hour from here. I don't think we're gonna continue this fall because it's so far. Are you guys ready to take your 1 hour hike to the falls?
Here we go. So what did you guys think of this
Wet.
first hiking, guys?
Very wet.
Wet.
It was really wet. Like
As
we're
you
soaked.
see,
Like it's
we're
so
wet.
shiny. Oh my god.
This is actually my first time hiking.
No, we went hiking before.
It's about
Remember when it was
4K.
winter? And then we were sliding? Yeah. And I bumped?
4K.
Oh my gosh, I got that on camera. Guys, there's a bear in the mountain dancing tala. Oh my gosh, we're back from the hiking and look at my wet hair. It's soaked, like really super duper soaked, see? And I don't have a brush. And look at her hair.
Other shoes?
I was gonna change into this shirt, but it's wet. Like it went through my backpack. Like see, my backpack is soaking wet. See? Now I don't have an extra shirt. But it was fun, guys. It's raining outside and we can't really be outside for too long because we're gonna get sick. See you guys when we get home. It's gonna be like I think 3 hours to get home. How was the hiking, guys?
Not good. So cold. Look, I'm gonna be like this
Yeah.
when I sleep. I'm gonna be like this instead of this.
Yeah.
Instead of this.
Yeah. Like we are soaked and we didn't bring extra shirts. Except for Jessie. Jessie has extra shirt.
I too. Me too. I have a shirt under.
Yeah, but you wore all your extra clothes, so you didn't have. Oh, but she has extra shorts. I have extra shorts too, but it's soaked in my extra shirt and it's soaked. Did you have fun? Did you have fun, Jessie boy? So if you had to rate the hiking out of 10, what would it be?
20.
20?
So wet. But I'm still hot.
Hi MagnoFam, so we're home now. It is 9:21 at night and we just got here in Edmonton and I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and always remember, always be kind and love one another.